Yung pating pamimili sa Asian shop ng pang-stock sa bahay, ginagawa naming family bonding time. Quality time ng family, mamimili lang kami sa Asian shop dito sa Belgium. So guys, samahan nyo po kami. Tayo pumunta ng Asian shop at kailangan namin mag-restock ng mga Filipino products. Okay. So, bago kami mamili sa Asian shop, mag-Burger King daw muna kami. So, andito na nga ulit kami sa city center. Nandito kasi Asian shop. Pero bago kami mamili doon, Tommy ay nagugutom na daw. Where are we going?
Burger King. Nagugutom
na daw siya. So, mag-Burger King naman kami ngayon. So, yeah. It's Isla's turn. It's Isla's turn to choose where we're gonna eat. So, ayan. Bago kami mag-Asian shop, kami ay mag-Burger King muna. Let's go! Sila lagi magkasama. Kasi ito lagi kong kasama paglalakad. Ayaw niya kasi kumapit kay Mommy. Laging kay Daddy.
Daddy, I feel a little bit of dip, but it's not. It's actually from the sky, but it's was just dip too, but it's not raining.
Yeah, there's a little bit of droplets. Ta-ta-da. May see what you want? Nagpapakarga. Sabi ni MAC, carry me. You're almost the same height as Mommy. Nagpapakalong. Ginagaya si Ayla Pupye. What did you say? You're dummy and girl. Luben City Center. Hi, Apum. Abo, may daw. Later, I will fall, ha? Ang simbahan. Dito kami maglalakasan tayo ng simbahan. Yan yung bus na sinasakyan namin. Papunta sa bahay. This station. Ayan ang mga building dito.
Are you happy now? Yeah, I see burgers.
You see the burgers. Simbahan. Dito nga tayo pupunta sa Burger King. Ang favorite ni Aylang fast food. Happy siya, oh, happy. Oh, we gonna order. Come on, now.
You wanna go first? Yeah.
Oh, you do it. It's here.
I'm eating.
Yeah, okay, you click it.
Yeah.
Naka-order na tayo. Oh, but this is too small, too big for Daddy. It's alright.
King Daddy.
You put it on your head. Queen Ayla Apple. Is this your favorite burger? Is this your favorite burger? Hi, Mommy. Hi, Ate Macy. Pareho naka-gadget, oh. What did you see there? There's a bee and Burger King. What did I said about the bee? We just ignore it and it's not gonna do nothing to us.
But there's no flowers here.
It's okay. You just get stuck inside. So if there's a bee, you just ignore it. You don't touch it. You don't be afraid, because if you're afraid, they're gonna smell you're afraid, huh? And they're gonna get scared also, and they're gonna sting you. But if you're not afraid, you're not gonna get sting. Dumating na nga ang ating Burger King. Ayla. Hey, what did you get? Which toy? Which toy you see? Oh, happy siya. See?
Are you happy?
Anime. Alam ko Naruto to eh. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan kung sino. Paki-comment na lang. Alright, we eat na.
Bye.
So yan ang in-order ni Ate Amazing French fries. May baked onion and cheese. Tapos naka chicken burger siya. Naka crispy chicken burger. Tapos sa akin yung burger, double burger with jalapeno. Si Mami Whopper. Yan. Alright, let's eat. Inabot nga kami ng ulan dito sa Burger King. So anyway, we have time. Kakain pa naman kami. Talagang bumuhos, oh. Ang lakas ng patak na takbo. Sama ka pang bata. Are you happy, Ate Messi? Can you show me your burger? Chicken. Are you happy, Apo? Ayla, are you happy? Eh. Can you show me you're eating your burger? Okay, tapos na nga tayo sa Burger King. Dito tayo sa Asian shop. Oh, chef. Yeah, chef. Tuloy. Bibili tayo ng bigas. Ayun na nga mga napabili natin. Puno na to. What is that? You don't know what is that? No, that's not candy. That's to cook. So, get out of there. You buy something. Yan nga na pamili namin. Siyempre, after ng pamimili at pagkain sa Burger King, dadalawin na din natin si Lolo at si Lola. Diba? At hindi na nga kami nagtagal doon kina Lolo at Lola. Gabi na din. Nag-hello lang kami, dumaan lang kami. Gawa nga nandun kami sa city. So, sandali lang kami doon at pumalik, uminom ng kape. Hindi na ako nag-video doon. Gawa, wala naman nating interesting naman doon sa kanila. Nagkape lang kami. At nag-commiss lang ang mga apo nila sa kanila. Tapos, umuwi na din kami. Kaya ngayon, dito lang kami sa bahay. What you guys are eating? Can you show your chips?
Shrimp.
Yeah. You show it. What is it? How does it go?
Shrimpo.
Oishi! Oishi! Natikpan nila yan first time sa Pilipinas. Kaya nakita nila dito. Ayan. Lagis lang. May oishi. Ano? And what did you buy still in Asian shop? Hey! What did you still buy in Asian shop? Jelly Ace? And? What is that? Mugo. And noodles. Pancit Canton. Also Pancit Canton. Do you like the Pancit Canton, Ayla? Alright, mahilig din sila sa Pancit Canton. Parang typical Filipino kids sa Pilipinas. So, ito pa nga yung mga napamili namin. Indomie sa mga girls. Yan. Seaweeds. Noodles. Vermicelli. Ayan, nakapag-install na din tayo ng Mang Tomas. KFC. Tapos, yung gata. Siyempre ang ating mga Filipino condiments, dato puti, silver swan, suka, pag-refill na din tayo, apatis. Yan, muli na din tayo ng mga exotic na gulay na nilagyan na natin sa rep. Siyempre bigas. So again guys, this is Sirdi's family. May Daddy RJ, Macy, Ayla, at si Mami nandun sa kusina. Hope you like our video. Again, this is Sirdi's family, Filipino family in Belgium. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Do you want to say it? Do you want to say it? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And comment a heart. And don't forget to...
Do what?
Make a funny emoji also.
Funny emoji. So again, kami nga ang Sirdi's family.
Just wanna put my leg
sharing
under
our daily vlog dito sa YouTube. So guys, again, hope you like this. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell button para may notification kayo pag kami ay nagpo-post ng video. See you guys next time. Bye-bye! Crazy Ayla!